everyone, I hope you are all well. In this video, I'm going to show you different projects. Very easy to do that you can do with a handbag. This is the first part. In the next part, I will show you more projects. Let's start with a belt. It's very easy to do. Cut both sides of the strap with scissors. Now sew the two ends of the belt. And the belt is finished. Next project is a pendant. Also very easy to do. Draw this shape with a piece of chalk. Cut out the piece that is going to be the pendant. Make a hole in the top of it. Insert a hoop through the hole. Now I'm going to make a fringe. Cut the sides. And this is the result. What do you think about these projects? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.